Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and thank you to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. Now today we are in the parish of Manchester in a place called the Dobson. And we are here to speak with a gentleman by the name of Unel Mason. Now, Unel Mason has been blind since he was 17 years old, but regardless of this disability, he is able to play the musical instruments. So we talked to him about that today, among other things. But before we do that, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit the post notification bell, so once we upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's go talk to Mr. Mason. Master Unel? Morning. Okay, I see you set up, man, and played music. Okay. All right. So, Master Unel, how you doing?
Well, we are give God thanks and praise.
Yes. So, I see you set up this morning, you prepared for us.
Yes.
Yes. You're playing your instrument, your keyboard.
Yes.
Right. So apart from the keyboard, what other instruments you play?
Well, we play guitar.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, so you play the guitar and the keyboard?
Yes, we play the bass guitar, we play the lead guitar and the keyboard.
Awesome.
And we play flute, the one where you draw out and put in some.
Okay, I remember that one.
Yeah.
Haven't seen that type in a long time. Yeah, so you're able to play all of those?
Yeah.
Yes. So you go out and play for people?
Yes, me go out and pray for church. For enough time church invite me to go out and play a rally, play a concert, crusade, and even wedding.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you do play at a lot of events?
Yes.
Yeah, so how do you get to those destinations?
Well, they come for me. Prepare transportation.
Okay. Yes, and how long have you been playing the instruments?
From 1979.
1979?
Yeah.
Right, but you are blind, but regardless of that, you are able to play the instruments?
Yes.
All right, so I know that you would have been blind since you were 17, right?
Yes.
Now talk to me about some of the struggles that you would have faced since then, you know?
Yes. Well, the struggle begin from, it happened that me used to still move up and down and do something for me. Use fork, me use machete just the same.
Yes.
Me do everything just the same, and then man say, me no blind.
Right.
Yeah, then say, you no blind man, because blind man couldn't do such a thing. For me plant carrot and then something and weed it out.
Really?
Myself, yeah.
Wow.
And you must say, you know, blind man. Climb all a tree.
Are you serious? Yes.
And it happened that's the man them know we a smoke all a cigarette and throw the cigarette butt in my back with the fire.
Yes.
And I say, ask me say who do it.
They were teasing you.
Yeah, and sometimes they use catapult and shoot me and ask me say who do it, and then something that get me discouraged.
Yes.
So the suicide thing them all come from them, something they do.
So you start to harbor suicidal thoughts.
Yeah. So it happened. That's one day now. Me I go down the road. And one trucker come up. And one brother stay up on the truck and kick me in my mouth. And me curse two bad word.
Yeah.
And when me curse the bad word now, people who would me want to hear me. And me take shame now and I go back to church and then something.
Oh, so you came out of the church because of that?
Yeah.
Yes.
So it happened that now, me start follow my friend them now and start smoke ganja. And got my bad words business now too.
Full time?
So till now, me one bandsman hear about me from Mandeville and check me.
Yes.
And me start play with him. So it happened said that can DJ and all that something this it happens that studio time and everything pay for.
Yes.
Yeah. So we go make cut record. But with all of them the voice had said to me, say, go back and give your life to the Lord. Give your life to the Lord. But me I resist it.
Yes.
And me say, man, if me take one jar again, yeah, man, the voice will low me. And when me take the jar, that time, the voice still has speak to me and say, go on back or give your life to the Lord. And it happened that's now. Me hear a crusade, one crusade in a go on a Colleyville Adventist.
Yes.
And me have me ganja and me jagan in my hand. And me hear them a sing this song, say, a Savior is waiting to enter your heart. And me don't know when the jagan drop out of my hand.
Yes.
Me walk off with the weed, said way, me dash away weed. But me walk go up a church now. Altar call, no call nor not yet, but me walk go straight to altar.
Yes.
Walk go straight to altar.
Yes.
And when me up there so till altar call, call, and when they ask me if me want to give me life to the Lord, me say yes. And give me a decision card to sign. And when me come home with the card, me say to my sister, say me nah sign the card for her. Me no want sign it and still go back and smoke again.
Yes, yes.
For when me decide to me I give me life to the Lord, at that time me dash away smoking enough time and go take you up back.
Yes, yes. So you were fearful at this point.
Yes.
So you didn't want to go back into the church and then you're not really ready.
Yes.
Yes.
And we have the decision card I had here, so till one Tuesday morning, me said to my sister, say, you know, so me have a sign the card do. And same as how me say so to her, feel like it's like one zip jar from behind, come right down to my foot.
Wow, really?
Yes, I'm like, me come out of something. And when me come out, me feel different.
Yes.
And when me come out, me still I wonder, say, what happened to me? Afterward, one of my friends come up here and carry a cliff and one cigarette and come for me, say, me and fi burn it.
Yes.
I take it from him and smell it. Me smell it, me give it back to him and say, you know, say me stop smoke though.
Yes.
But even when me tell him say me stop smoke, me still no believe say me stop.
Yes, it's a miracle.
Don't believe say me stop, cause me say then how me just stop so.
Yes, yes.
And from that me no feel the urge for it again.
All the urge was gone.
All the urge gone. And me
Yes.
baptized. So when me look, I know me stop a God stop me.
Yeah, yeah.
And right there, so now when me baptize and give back my life to the Lord. And it happened that they may keep 2-week crusade at Pike. And then asked me if I play the crusade. And when me go down a crusade and play, after any 2 weeks, then decide say, well, you're not go back to Colleyville. You have to stay with me.
Yes.
And when me ask me membership, they said then I'll give me the membership for where you go.
Okay.
We want you up here.
Yes. So they
And
wanted you to stay in Colleyville.
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
So then say this year they may now get me now get the music.
Okay.
And me there Pike ever since until now.
Okay.
And, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you are really, so you attend the church in Pike.
Yeah.
You're right, but you still go all around and play your instrument and at concerts and rallies and so on.
So me I tell you at the hanging
The suicidal.
suicide part of it now.
Yes. Because you would have attempted this 3 times, you said.
Yes, and it happened that we do it out, eat all 3 days straight, me don't have anything to eat. And with the torture, with the man them a torture me and something.
Yes.
And it happened that the first time me take 30 pills. And all the pills do make me sleep.
Oh boy. So did anybody know about this?
No, me not tell anybody.
Oh wow.
And the second time, me go back and try to take my life. Again by hanging myself. And me stand up on the mat and tie the rope in the kitchen top and step off my mat and the rope burst just like that.
Oh wow.
And the last time.
So the rope did weak, Mass Unel?
No, a good rope.
A good rope?
A good rope, man.
So what do you think happened?
God burst it, man.
Oh wow.
God mercy, God have a plan when me know you know of.
Yes, yes. This was
Yeah,
the second attempt
yeah,
at suicide.
yeah, yeah.
And talk to us about the third time you attempted.
The third time now, me leave, say me go down a river in my life. But I want dangerous falling there. And the falling over there deep and everything. If me ain't jump off over there, so no. I hit that.
Yes.
And it happened that when me go down on the road, we go meet up in a crowd of people that have church, have service down there. And them a sing this song, say, he's coming soon, I know, coming back to this world again. And when me end up in the crowd, when me turn my face towards the river, me feel like say me a stifle. And when me turn back my face up the hill,
Yeah.
me catch.
You were able to breathe.
Yeah. And one of them whole they first they asked me, say, where may I go? Where may I go?
This is one of the church people who keep the service.
Yeah, I tell them, say, I walk out. And then say, you leave all the way from top road if you come down here, if you come walk out. And one hole on my right hand and one hole the left. And then they encourage me. And same as how them encourage me. One of my church brother come now, everybody call me Power.
Yes.
So he come and say, Power, what you do down here? And me tell him the same thing, say, I walk out, but me realize, say, when me talk to him, the people that who hold me no feel nobody hold me again.
Yes.
I me no hear anybody again.
Also service stop now.
And he asks me, say, who me talk to for him? Me talk to somebody. Me tell him, say, some people have church here. So he said, nobody know the day you want the day.
Wow, so no one was there?
No one.
So what did you hear?
A crowd of people, and the two of them hold on, one hold on, and they were encouraged me for me go end up in the crowd. Me couldn't go any further. Actually, couldn't go any further for me mix up in the crowd of people.
Oh, so and the gentleman was saying when you he was asking you who you're talking to.
Yeah.
So there was nobody there in the first place.
Nobody at all.
So what do you think happened there, Samas Unel?
Angel.
Angel.
He sent angel and stop me.
Yes.
And from there, so now me try if it die out of my mind again.
Yes.
Alright. After me start go back at church again. When me I go to Colleyville church now, one trucker come again.
Yes.
And one brother stay up on the truck now. And when me I go on with my guitar and hold me in my collar here so. And make the trucker pull me down the hill. And when he finally let me go, me drop and burst through the guitar string and chip up in the road.
Oh my! So somebody was passing on the truck?
I'm one of them in the panic truck, but I one hold me.
So somebody was on the truck and held on to you?
Yes, but the one when hold me know who.
Yes.
And him hold on to me, and when he let me go, me drop in the road and chip up.
Oh my God.
And it happened that this Sunday now, the same brother go and play ball, play cricket with them one another. And one bat the ball and lick him in the eye and lick out one eye clean.
Oh my God.
He do me so this Saturday and he lose one eye this Sunday.
Wow.
Just like that.
So it's true what they say when they say life is a cycle.
Yeah.
Because him do that to you and then look what happened to him afterwards.
And me remember again, one night me go on my bed and me dream again. See one new big road, then cut a road, and to the way road pretty now, me I follow the road.
Yes.
But I realize that the more me I going by the road I get narrow.
Yeah.
And the road get narrow so till me couldn't go any further for gully over this side and banking on the top side.
Yes.
And my dream see me see one man way out yonder, and the man say me mustn't watch the narrowness of the road, me must just come to him. And when me go, the man put his hand around me and say, Jesus.
Yes.
And say, when them a mock me, me mustn't pay them no mind, me must just love it to him.
Yes.
And the man, me get up, me tell me sister the dream again. And it happened that's one next day, when we next neighbor up here, so see me a call me blind eye.
Oh my.
I mean, I will answer him. And my sister turned to me again and said, remember your dream, no answer him.
Yes.
And the same day again, them a play. And he run around the house and lick up in eye now and borrow wire and dig out one eye.
Oh my God.
Just like that.
Oh my God.
And for ever since God, me go through rough time and rough passage still, but God still help me and move up and down just the same.
Yes, yes.
Even going to church, none of the vehicle man them a road now leave me. Yeah, man.
They assist you.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Because what I know you do, you're somewhat independent when you look at it, because you are the one who does the washing and so on.
Yes,
Talk to us about that.
Yes, me wash me clothes myself and so far. Me not directly ask somebody
To assist you.
Yeah, me wash me clothes myself. Church clothes and ground clothes and even to that me have one room round my back there so me I work and it happen that out I same keyboard there me save and me buy mall and me buy black. And something and me buy little steel, but me want help with it for me hardly can go any further with it.
Okay, so you're building a room to the back of this house?
Yes, but right round here, so.
Okay. In a little while we're going to look at it.
Yeah.
And you stop. Oh, so it stopped right now. It's halfway?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, for me, I want deck it on and something, but you don't know, me that got if for me I seek little help if me couldn't get any help.
Yes.
If give me a backup, you see, but
to finish the room.
Yes, but me don't know what God have in store.
Yes.
For me to sort it out, but me still a pray and hope and trust
that help will come.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you were to get help, what are some of the things that you would need to complete the room?
Need steel, cement, and that's
marl.
Me have marl already.
Oh, yeah, you have blocks already.
Yeah, me have the block where that completely, but me don't want the cement and I like if we get the ply where we deck it and something.
Oh, okay. All right, Mas Unel. So we hope somebody watching will see and your plea and reach out to you to assist you. All right. So you know your number by heart, not true, Mas Unel? Yeah, man. So just say your number so the viewers and subscribers watching they can reach out to you if it is that they want to help you.
Yes. My number is 453 4750.
Okay, so that's 453-4750. And of course, we'll put the number on the screen and we'll also put it in the video description. All right? So, Mas Unel, so play something for it, because we know you. But wait a minute, you also sing?
Yes.
You sing as well?
Yeah, man.
So sing something for we now and play something for we.
Don't take away my trials, they only come to make me strong. Without them, dear Jesus, how would I get along? If I never have a problem, I never know my God could solve them. I never know how faith could move mighty mountain. I have bridges to cross, and I have mountain to climb. I know I never make it on my own. Lord, I put my trust in you. There is nothing more that I can do. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. You can climb the highest mountain, I'll sail the stormy sea. I know my ship is anchored, and Jesus Christ of Galilee. When my work on earth is ended, and I bid this world goodbye, I take my final journey my home beyond the sky. I have bridges to cross, and I have mountains to climb. I know I never make it on my own. Lord, I put my trust in you. There's nothing more than I can do. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. One by one.
Wow, awesome, Mas Unel. That's awesome. That's excellent. Wow. So, Mas Unel, talk to us about where you are now, because you know, having gone through the struggles, I know you lost your mother.
Yeah, lost my father at 11-year-old.
Yes.
Yes, and my stepmother were used to take care of me. She died from 1986, and from then now I go through struggle, little good time.
So you'd have
and much
lost
bad.
her, and
Yeah.
since then life has been a struggle.
Life been a struggle to
Yeah.
me. Sometimes little good time, it ain't all bad.
Yes.
But good and
Yes.
bad time.
Yes.
That's a sight and
All of that.
even right now me I go through struggle still, but me still take out certain thought out of it.
Yes, yes.
And
So that is what I wanted to find out. Where are you now in terms of your life, your thought process?
yes,
You know, because
yeah,
you're no longer harboring
no.
suicidal thoughts.
When I know say you know come you know, but when it come now me no harbor it.
Yes.
Me no harbor it. Me say me see it now as a plot where the devil you know would want for me. So me say me now look at the direction again.
Yes.
Me say well if me I suffer, me I suffer serve God, and if me alright, me I go alright serve the Lord.
Yes,
So,
yes. Yes.
Me pray to him and ask him daily for his help and his mercy. So me believe say God still have something great in store for me.
Indeed, indeed. So do you have support in terms of your church members? Do you talk to them? Do they encourage you and
Yes,
so
well,
on?
my church help me in ways for sometime give me food sometime, then give me something to help out. Yes, in a
Yes.
way.
Yes. So
And if me sick also, them
they help you.
yeah.
Right. But on a daily basis though, you are alone. You
Yes.
don't have any help.
No.
Who cooks for you?
Well, me when I'm in nephew, when I help me out and him stop, stop just like that. And
Okay.
he help that. Now my sister then start up back again. So I don't know if him a go feel me again.
Yes, yes. So it's a family that provides for you. No, they assist you in that
assist-
regard.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right. But outside of that, it's just you.
Yeah.
Okay.
For like in the morning, me get the dinner, but like all night morning, I may actually have to push for myself.
Oh, so when it comes to breakfast and lunch and so on, you
yeah.
have to, so, but you don't cook?
No.
So what do you eat?
Well, when the thing is this now, if me not have breakfast, me do it out.
Oh, really?
And
So there are days when you get up, Mas Unel, and there is no, you don't eat anything for breakfast?
Yes, enough time.
Oh, wow.
Time.
But that affects you, man. Doesn't it make you sick?
Yeah. Sometimes I feel pain in my head and feel stitches in my belly. And
Oh, my goodness.
And so.
So if you get any help with food items, that would be great.
Yes.
Yes. So because of your disability, would you be able to cook if it is that you had a stove? Or you wouldn't bother to venture down that road?
If me I want to stove, me that help out myself in a way still, but far as me see, if me have help with the food and so, my sister them still maybe that push better for us. But if me have the help more in the food now, and that push more for me.
Okay.
Yeah,
So if you had the food items and so on, you'd give her and she cook it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. All right, so Mas Unel, tell me some of the things that you do when it comes to the yard, because I know you say you wash your clothes and so forth.
Wash my clothes, any little, like all the light and something, me set up my light myself.
Are you set up the light yourself?
Yes,
So
build
you
it.
know what to do and you cannot see it.
Me don't know, me just, me don't know. I got
Yes.
give me that inspiration. Me have an extension there, me build the extension, give me music here when me have the car radio and the power supply and me connect everything myself.
So you build the extension?
Yeah.
So Mas Unel, how you know what you're doing? And you're not seeing it?
Me have an idea, man, and
Yes.
yeah, me set it up myself.
Yes.
Me remember me have one little sound before me have the stereo box here. And me connect it up myself.
Yes.
Yeah, man, connect crossover, power, and
Are
everything.
you serious?
Yeah, man.
So you're really talented, not because you're not able to see, but there's so much you can do as well.
Climb pimenta tree, broke pimenta.
Yes.
Do all type. Remember one day we climb one pear tree, you pick pear. One man say he inside and he say, for God, I send you up there. So nah, go up there.
Oh my God, he was amazed that you were able to climb the tree.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
We do everything same way. Sometimes the man them both here if them buy one machete and so then carry machete come give me for sharpen and me get me $500.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Mas Unel, how you sharp machine?
Let me show you the one when me sharpen a house here now.
Okay.
But see one here when me sharpen.
Oh, so you sharp this machine
Yeah.
here? Oh, wow. Okay. And it look well sharp too, so you know.
I kind of dull now.
So you not cut you?
No.
You not cut you?
Me use machete and it cut me have to put it down and go back on it.
Oh, but when you sharpen it and so.
No.
Okay. Wow. And you know where to find the things them to Mas Unel.
Yeah, man. Do everything, do everything. Me have one bulb here where play music and something and me connect it up myself.
The ball play music?
Yeah.
How so?
If you turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and me plug in it play music, it play song.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
And the DVD here now we connect it up and everything play through the monitor box just the same.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Wow, you have a lot going on here. So you can do every little thing for yourself, Mas Unel.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Oh, wow. Look at that. And you were explaining to us earlier that you weed the yard as well.
Yeah, I weed the yard.
So you know where to weed?
Yeah, man, me just, me don't know.
You just know?
Yeah. Use fork, we do everything. We dig yam hill. See, we say one time when we used to work a bush, our brother down there say, the right there, so now somebody benefit their video me.
Yes. Wow, because of the things that you're able to do.
Yeah.
Wow. So you can pretty much help yourself. You just would need the help with the food, you know, and to finish your room that you started.
Yes. But now me that give me study more convenient.
Right.
Ready here, so. I have a next keyboard down at church. And I have one next one in there, but the one in our room, they know the pad in them, the water been catch me with this, so it try not damage the circuit.
Okay. So that one not working?
It a work, but some of the key them not play.
Okay. So you have to go get that repaired.
Yeah.
Okay, so currently it's just one keyboard they have working with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Up here, me have one down at church.
Okay, so the one down by the church is yours?
Yeah.
Oh, so you have two working and one of them want repair. Yes. So you have times where you come out on your veranda and play music?
Well, me never carry keyboard come out here now, like the box now. Me put the box out here and play CD and
Okay.
tongue drive and so we will play.
Yes. So you go on the road too? So when you want to buy something or so?
Yeah, me go on the road. Me want walk go alright. You don't know the Adventist church at Colleyville?
Yes.
Me want walk out there.
From here?
Yeah.
You mean walk?
Yeah.
Well, that's about 2 or so miles away. Yeah?
Walk going away on the road here.
Yes.
Mystic.
Also, if you want something at the shop, you're able to
Go buy
go
it
buy
myself.
it and come back.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. That's
Yeah.
awesome. All
That-
right, so
that-
once you know, we're
yeah.
going to ask you to play another song for the viewers and subscribers.
Just like the one we're gonna play.
Yes, man, you can play that one if you wish.
Yeah. I went time me done me program the drum and play something by the with the keyboard itself and not sing.
Okay. All right, all right.
Never sing the one, yeah. I feel the touch of his arms so kind and tender. He's leading me in past the time of strife. I have no fear when Jesus walks beside me. For I'm sheltered in the arms of God. Oh, let the storm cloud rise, the dark cloud rise. They won't worry me, for I'm sheltered safe within the arms of God. I have no fear when Jesus walks beside me. For I'm sheltered in the arms of God. I shall hear a call from heaven portal. Is the come home, my child? Is the last mile you must try? I fall asleep and wake in God new heaven, sheltered safe within the arms of God. Oh, let the storm cloud rise, the storm cloud rise. They won't worry me, for I'm sheltered safe within the arms of God. It perilous when Jesus walks beside me, sheltered safe within the arms of God.
Wow. Wow, good job, Mas Unel.
Yeah. I program the drum and
Oh, yeah, program the drum now.
yeah.
Okay.
Where drum there? Let's not find it. Where drum there? Where drum there? Drum and you can. Alright, now go stop it and program it over again.
Okay, okay.
Come on, choose the wrong something program.
Okay.
Alright, jump now. Program me jump off, set me for you know. steady drum. Oh, we could have played now. I wonder.
Okay. Oh, yeah, try to figure out one song.
We're going to play one beat.
All right. Wow. Awesome, Mas Unel. But you're bad, man. You're so good. Yes. All right, so Mas Unel pretty much is going to show us the room that he was constructing and where it's at now. So Mas Unel, you don't use a cane when you're walking in the yard?
In the yard, only when I go out.
Oh, because you used to the yard, so
Yeah.
Oh, you not trip at any time?
Well, sometimes we meet in a little something, but...
Okay.
Yeah.
For the most part, you can handle yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Wow.
Right here.
Okay, careful.
Yeah. See it here. Yeah.
Okay.
This is it.
Okay.
Build a bathroom around here, so but this is a room.
Okay.
Yeah. You see black here and the mall there around on the other side around here. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this is a bedroom that you are building?
Yeah.
Oh. So as it is now, is one room you occupy on this house?
Yes.
Oh, so you have an inside bathroom?
Them build one bathroom around there.
Oh, there's a bathroom there.
Yeah.
Oh, so you just want one extra room?
Yeah.
Okay. I see.
Mall around on the outside.
Okay. So you have a kitchen too?
No, I don't have any kitchen.
Oh, but mostly because you don't cook?
Yeah.
Okay.
But if I have my room sort out now, we could have...
Yeah.
The room here now, we could have...
Part it up and maybe share it
Yeah.
into a room and kitchen or something?
Just put make one little partition there, so...
Yeah. Yeah, okay. All right. All right, Mas Unel, we hope that you will get some help.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
So anybody watching, please, if it is that you're able to help Mas Unel in any way, please give him a call.
Yeah.
And also, if it is that you don't have anything to offer physically, but just to call him to give a word of encouragement, I'm sure that he will greatly appreciate that. All right, so, all right, Mas Unel.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me what you can do, Miss Unel.
Only see.
You don't see, you can't see, but you do everything.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Only that no more leave for me.
Yes.
Eh,
And you handle yourself well on the steps too. Okay.
Only this side no more leave.
Yes. Masuna, not easy. Masuna said, the only thing I can't do is see. Careful.
Eh,
All right.
yeah.
So, Masuna, you know, I was talking to somebody as of late, and I was saying to them, you know, we work so hard sometimes in this life,
Yes.
and there are some things that you'd want to achieve,
Yeah.
and then, you know, there's a fear that you may fall out of life and not really achieve those
Yes.
goals. But you are a source of inspiration to us being
Yeah.
here even today, because we're able to see. You can't see us. You're so
Yes.
grateful for everything, because you did
Yes.
say to me a while ago that the only thing that you can't do is see.
Yeah.
And we are here and we can see, but yet still, you know, sometimes we are so, you know, caught
Yeah.
up, worried about every little
Yeah.
thing and trying to capture the world, when really and truly we have so much already
Yeah.
to give God thanks for, you know? Yeah.
Yeah. So as I was saying, me say me always I say, well, boy, if me never lost my sight, I could do this and do that for myself. But me take it back and look at it and say, probably if me could have seen, maybe me would live in.
Yeah.
And me say,
Your life would have taken another
yes,
direction.
for me I look at it, say, sometime God see something in me when me myself no see. And in order for me to get what me no know where have in store for me, He break me
Yes.
and he take away something and
Yes.
give me something.
Yes.
For the sight go, the music come,
The talent for
the
playing
talent
music came.
yeah. And because we don't know God work in a mysterious way.
Yes, that's true.
I remember in our day, me get up in the morning and me not have any money or so I pray and I ask God to provide for me. And the morning when me get up, me come out of veranda, I don't know me not take out of my pocket, but me take out my phone and put it now on the veranda railing. And I remember say me no put back the phone in my pocket. Walk go down the road and go up on my bridge and when me up there. And that's when me remember say,
You left the phone.
leave the phone. Start to worry me say, no, so if you go walk all the way, you come back up here. Or me say, probably make the phone stay till I evening, maybe somebody may come and see it and take it up.
Right.
When me left off of the hill and I worry myself, say, boy, if you go walk all the way, one mind said to me, say, no, worry yourself, man. Just go for it. Same as how me come down a road, me get a drive with one brethren come up. When me come up, the brethren give me $1,000.
Wow.
And when me I go back down, me get a drive again with one lady give me $500.
Oh my God, so look at that.
If me never forgot the phone,
Yes.
that wouldn't happen.
Yes.
So the Lord, what the enemy meant for evil,
Yes.
God meant it for good.
Awesome. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so if me never forgot it, and me ask God to provide for me, if me forgot the phone, that me wouldn't get that.
Yes. Yes.
So he provided through a way when me that feel upset, but
Yes.
in at the end, me see the good out of it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So every disappointment is
Is
for
an
good.
appointment,
Well,
yeah.
every disappointment is an
Yeah,
appointment.
yes.
Yes, yes. Wow. Indeed. Indeed. Yes. It has been awesome talking to you,
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Unel.
yeah.
Yeah, man. So keep up the good work.
Yes, I'm glad to no present. When me say yesterday, you know, take my phone, go fix it. For no, give me 10 million, it wouldn't better. It wouldn't better.
Yes, yes, it was our pleasure.
It great to me more than anything.
Yes.
Last night, I pray and ask God for help on that.
Yes.
On a store basket, me not empty, and whatsoever I take to save, you know, in our kingdom.
Yes.
To make it possible. That whatever I see around that it would be a barrier. I know allow no to see the barrier, allow no to see him.
Amen.
High and lifted up.
Yes,
and,
yes.
And that may lean upon him, that when he shall come, where we want that this life we no might get it, you know.
That's true.
We no might get it for the promise that God have for us is not in this life.
Yes.
We get some for when I something him say. He saying wish we have wish with health and prosperity, you know. But sometimes the wealth throw we away.
That is true.
But sometimes alright, can you say me don't want one pair of shoes, no, $1,000 for his shoes. And me say God provide $1,000 for me that me can go buy one shoes.
Yes.
God no provide only 1,000, he provide $3,000.
Yes.
Me no remember the top shoes again till $3,000
that's true,
again.
that's true.
So you see,
yes.
sometimes we in our life we ask God for something, but when God give we use the same something and rebel against him.
Yes, yes.
You understand? And sometimes in order to save we, in we to hold it.
Yes, yes.
You understand?
So we have to understand that sometimes when you don't get the thing that you want same time, it's just God looking out for us, you know, holding you maybe at a certain level. And then later he will provide it for you when the time is right.
Yes.
I know you say you go out and play for different events and so on. So what if somebody watching wants you to play at an event? Would you be willing to go?
Yes. That would be my
your pleasure.
Pleasure. Yeah, man.
Yes, so
right there, so my levity come from.
Oh, that's where you get a little income from. So anybody want to call you to play, they can feel free to do so. And of course, we'll place your number on the screen. And we're also going to put your number in the video description. So anybody want to call Mr. Unel, call him anytime. All right? Okay, awesome. All right, so Master Unel, just say the number quickly again so persons can get it so they can call you.
Yes, my number is 453-4750.
Okay, awesome. 453-4750.
Yeah.
All right. So, Master Unel, is there anything that you'd want to say to the persons watching? What would you want to say to them if you were to say something to them?
I say, in the midst of life, all type of something can reach you, but in the midst of it, we still can trust God, not give up on yourself, or give up, now go help any situation. All we need to do, go forward and ask God help.
Yes, indeed. Well said, Master Unel. Thank you so much for having us.
Yes.
It's our pleasure being here.
Yes.
You know, we were really entertained today. Come like with their one dance, you know what I'm saying? So thanks again, Master Unel, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, peace and love, everybody. Thank you so much for watching a little Everything Jamaican. Blessings.
His voice makes a difference. When he speaks, he relieves my troubled mind. He's the only voice I hear that makes a difference. And I follow one day at a time. When I need him, I know just where to find him. In my constant prayer, his spirit hovers me. His voice gently give me my direction, and I follow one day at a time. His voice makes it and I.